Hi! Welcome to the home of Aspen Hot Glass. This is where we live and work. I am one half of the Bill and Ray Show. My name is Ray Grout. And the other half is my husband, Bill Grout. You could see him in this video at the bottom left-hand corner making one of his Vortex marbles. And behind him are the Bitterroot Mountains. We live on a small farm nestled between the Bitterroot Mountains and the Sapphire Mountains in the Bitterroot Valley in Montana. Bill and I are full-time artists with technical backgrounds. Bill started blowing glass in 1993, and before that he worked at a company called Rocket Research, so he is truly my rocket scientist. Fun fact, when we got married, we launched a model rocket from our wedding cake, and I remember looking up in the sky and watching it disappear and thinking, gee, maybe I should have called the local airport and cleared the airspace before we set the rocket off. Luckily, we were able to retrieve the rocket, and now it's displayed in Bill's man cave under a picture of him at Kennedy Space Center. I came into the picture in 2002. After Bill sat me down at a torch and taught me how to play with fire correctly, I grabbed my parachute and jumped out of the corporate world to be with him and live in the Bitterroot Valley as a full-time artist. Lord of the Rings was our first date movie, so in 2004 we ordered LOR rings and ran away and eloped. As you can see, we have several little buildings that we work out of on our little farm. Bill built every building, every structure on this property. He's not only handsome, he's also handy. We blow glass out of what we call the torch shop, and Bill has his electronics lab / brew house. I have my punk shop that I work out of, and that's short for Steampunk. I spend most of my days in there making a ton of different things, but one of the things I really like doing is writing my book. The Punk Shop Dragon books that I am writing and illustrating are based on our dragon Harmony. When Bill and I have done shows in the past, people ask us how we blow our glass. And I jokingly tell them we have a glass-blowing dragon named Harmony that allows us to blow love and harmony into our glass. And that's that extra sparkle you see. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you for supporting our small business. I hope you have an awesome day. And until next time, cyber huggies to you!